Edgardo Jose Gary Santiago Valenciano, born August 6, 1964, is a Filipino singer and actor. Known for his musical versatility and performances, he is a recipient of various accolades, including 12 Awit Awards, 3 FAMAS Awards, and a Mix Magna Award. Valenciano began his career in 1984 with the release of his self-titled debut album. In the succeeding years, he has ventured on screen with appearances in several films and television shows. He has performed alongside artists such as Brian McKnight, George Duke, Paul Jackson Jr., Michael Shapiro, Ricky Martin, Cliff Richard, Leon Patillo, Michael W. Smith, Sandy Patty, Stephen Curtis Chapman, and Kool and the Gang. Valenciano is also a philanthropist, having been appointed as the country's first UNICEF National Ambassador in 1997. He is one of ABS-CBN's contract artists and has been a mainstay co-host of the weekly variety show ASAP since 2003. Early life and education. Edgardo Jose Santiago Valenciano was born in the Santa Mesa district of the city of Manila on August 6, 1964. He is the 6th of the 7 children of Vicente Calicas Valenciano, a Bicolano from Camlig, Albay, and Gramilda Santiago y Olmo from Arecibo, Puerto Rico. His parents met in New York City, married, and settled in Manila. His mother is a Puerto Rican of Italian descent who sang opera in Manila during the 1960s. Valenciano attended primary and secondary school in La Salle Green Hills and was a part of the Candairana. Personal life, Valenciano married Maria Anna Elizabeth Angeli Pangilinan, the sister of Senator Francis Pangilinan, on August 6, 1984. Together, they have 3 children: Paula Valenciano, a director and the vocalist of the band Salomon; Gabriel Valenciano, a singer, keyboardist, dancer, and director; and Kiana Valenciano, a model and singer-songwriter. The family resides in Antipolo. He is currently living with type 1 diabetes and has been an endorser for several wellness products related to the condition. In May 2018, Valenciano started feeling ill after a performance with his son Gabriel for the celebration of his 35th anniversary in showbiz on ABS-CBN's Sunday afternoon show ASAP, and had to undergo open-heart surgery due to blockage of his left anterior descending artery caused by his diabetes. The procedure was successfully performed on May 6, 2018, and he was released from the hospital by May 12. On April 17, 2019, Valenciano's mother died in Orlando, Florida, after battling pneumonia, congestive heart failure, and H1N1 flu. philanthropy, Valenciano formed the Shining Light Foundation in 1989, focusing on supporting diabetics and a scholarship program that has produced many multi-awarded scholars and students. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.